Hey, good afternoon, Grant. This is Tim at J.H. Barkau & Sons in Cedarville, 815-718-9288. We actually just got this van in yesterday afternoon. It's a 2018 Transit T250. It was a U-Haul van, 5,800 miles, 5,901. MFM radio, air conditioning, automatic transmission, V6. Has the bulkhead in it already. The running boards, backup camera, has the vinyl floor mat, the cargo tie downs, very similar to the one that you've already got. This one has the sliding door on it. This is a standard length one. It has a T250, so it is a 3/4 ton. They have an internet special price at $26,952. I may be able to do a little bit better on that. It is a one owner, was a U-Haul van. So it's a 2018 Transit T250, 5,900 miles, and it's in white. And I'm going to walk down to here and I'll show you the other one.